Hi, my name is Sammy. Welcome to my very first YouTube video. So today I'm going to Chiney bulb my hair. That's not what you guys call it, Bantu knots, but in Jamaica we call it Chiney bulbs. Okay. I just washed my hair so it's still damp, which makes it a lot easier. I'm going to oil my scalp with the Sulphur Vaseline. Okay, this is how my hair is at the moment. I parted it in four to make it a lot easier to handle, because you know, natural hair. First, I'm going to use my Blue Magic Original, the Indian Hemp, just to oil the hair. Okay, after that, I add my leave-in conditioner, Dr. Miracle. Just a bit, and I just rub that in my hair. Alright, I'm going to start oiling my scalp with the Sulphur Vaseline. I don't use a lot. It does leave like a kind of minty feeling on your hair. This is just to help with like if you have dry scalp or dandruff. So now that all of our scalp is oiled, I am going to add some of our Temple Balm full repair. I've been trying to work on these edges. It's just been a couple of months. Not quite sure if it's working yet, but we'll see. Alright, so to Chiney bulb the hair, I am going to use the Strand Simply Curls, the professional curling cream. This is my favorite. It smells really great and it curls the hair right off the bat. Okay. So I will start with this section. First, part it into like a small square. This is Chiney Balm. People have different ways. With the curling strand, I just add a few to the hair. Just rub that in. As you can see, the hair is already curling. I'm not sure if you can see that well. Alright. So what I do when I'm Chiney Balm, probably call it Bantu, and I'll leave a strand out. Then two strand twist the hair. Okay. Let me pause for a bit, please. My hair. Nothing named through the nails is a bit hard, but I did not think this through. Yeah, I did not think this through. It's hard with nails. It's hard with nails. Okay. Okay, so now I'm finished. This took me about 15 to 20 minutes. As you can see, there could be any shape, any size basically. I have some small, I have some medium, some large. Because after I'm going to put them out, it's actually to get the curls from these. I'm not going to use my hair like that. But that's another video. So please still like and subscribe and leave a comment. Bye!